from the Ohio State School for the Blind, and we're the sensational culinary team.
We are Cooking Classy, and we are with Milford Junior High School.
We're the Cooking Crusaders from Seton Catholic School.
We are the CLC Bulldogs from Hamilton, Ohio.
We're Earthy Eats, and we go to Watkins Middle School.
You know, in sports, you got to be able to trust your teammates. This is the same thing. Without trust, you really don't have anything.
What is one thing you guys learned from this experience?
The communication, the organization to help get everything going across. Yet again, you need a team for that.
Phenomenal. You guys did a wonderful job, and your mise en place stood out like none other. You guys did an excellent job.
I think the flavor profile is excellent, and I really like the creativity of it.